Subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Question 1. Which organelle of the cell is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Option A. Ribosomes. Option B. Golgi bodies. Option C. Mitochondria. Option D. Nucleus. The correct answer is C. Mitochondria. Explanation. Mitochondria are organelles responsible for generating most of the cell's supply of adenosine triphosphate through cellular respiration. Because they produce the energy currency of the cell, they are famously termed the powerhouse. Question 2. What is made up of similar cells and performs similar functions? Option A. Molecules. Option B. System. Option C. Organ. Option D. Tissue. The correct answer is D. Tissue. Explanation. A tissue is defined as a group of cells that have a similar structure and function together as a unit. Examples include epithelial, connective, muscle, and nervous tissues. Question 3. Which of the following cells surround the neurons of the sensory and autonomic ganglia? Option A. Capsular cells. Option B. Schwanner cells. Option C. Neuroglial cells. Option D. Ependymal cells. The correct answer is A. Capsular cells. Explanation. Capsular cells, also known as satellite glial cells, form a thin sheath around the nerve cell bodies within sensory and autonomic ganglia. They provide structural support and regulate the exchange of nutrients and wastes for the neurons they ensheath. Preparing for Optometry Gov Job? Enroll our course Gov Job Preparation and get access to subject-wise notes, MCQs, previous year MCQs, mock tests, common group chat and more just in 1249 rupees for 1 year.
Question 4. The human skull is composed of how many bones? Option A. 40 bones. Option B. 25 bones. Option C. 29 bones. Option D. 35 bones. The correct answer is C. 29 bones. Explanation. The human skull consists of 29 bones in total, including the 8 cranial bones, 14 facial bones, 6 auditory ossicles, and the hyoid bone. These bones provide structure to the head and protection for the brain and sensory organs. Question 5. As per the division of the skeletal system, which of the following is included in the appendicular skeleton system of the human body? Option A. Ribs. Option B. Face. Option C. Cranium. Option D. Pelvic. The correct answer is D. Pelvic. Explanation. The appendicular skeleton comprises the bones of the upper and lower limbs and the girdles, pectoral and pelvic, that attach them to the central axis. The ribs, face, and cranium are components of the axial skeleton. Question 6. Which of the following is an example of a complex joint in the human body? 1. Temporomandibular joint. 2. Interphalangeal joint. Option A. Only 1. Option B. Both 1 and 2. Option C. Neither 1 nor 2. Option D. Only 2. The correct answer is A. Only 1. Explanation. The temporomandibular joint is classified as a complex joint because it contains an articular disc that divides the joint cavity. Interphalangeal joints are simple hinge joints without such dividing discs. Question 7. Which of the following characteristics of striated muscle in a human body is correct? 1. Light and dark bands are absent. 2. They are short and cylindrical. Option A. Only 1. Option B. Both 1 and 2. Option C. Only 2. Option D. Neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is D. Neither 1 nor 2. Explanation. Striated muscles are characterized by long, cylindrical fibers rather than short ones. Additionally, They possess distinct light and dark bands caused by the arrangement of sarcomeres, making both statements incorrect.
Preparing for optometry license exam? Enroll our course MCQs in optometry and get access to subjects-wise notes, MCQs, previous year MCQs, last-minute revision and common group chat and more in just 1849 rupees.
Question 8. Name the structural protein involved in muscle cells, without which a person cannot move, breathe, talk, digest, and circulate blood in the body. Option A. Keratin. Option B. Elastin. Option C. Collagen. Option D. Actin. The correct answer is D. Actin. Explanation: Actin is a globular protein that forms microfilaments and is a fundamental component of the muscle contraction mechanism. It interacts with myosin to generate the force required for all muscle movements, including voluntary and involuntary actions. Question 9. The dorsal cavity contains the organ of the nervous system, which is further subdivided into which two cavities? Option A. Cranial cavity and spinal cavity. Option B. Parietal and visceral. Option C. Pericardial cavity and pleural cavity. Option D. Thoracic cavity and abdominopelvic cavity. The correct answer is A. Cranial cavity and spinal cavity. Explanation: The dorsal body cavity is located along the posterior of the body and protects the central nervous system. It is subdivided into the cranial cavity, housing the brain, and the spinal cavity, housing the spinal cord. Question 10. Which of the following is not part of the hindbrain of humans? Option A. Medulla oblongata. Option B. Cerebellum. Option C. Cerebrum. Option D. Pons varoli. The correct answer is C. Cerebrum. Explanation: The hindbrain consists of the medulla oblongata, pons, and cerebellum, which regulate vital functions and coordination. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain but is located in the forebrain area. Question 11. Blood makes up what percentage of a person's total body weight? Option A. 7 to 8%. Option B. 10 to 12%. Option C. 5 to 6%. Option D. Over 50%. The correct answer is A. 7 to 8%. Explanation: In an average adult human, blood accounts for approximately 7 to 8% of total body weight. This volume is critical for transporting oxygen, nutrients, and waste products throughout the body.
Subscribe our channel for more videos like this.
Question 12. What is the lifespan of RBCs? Option A. 200 days. Option B. 100 days. Option C. 150 days. Option D. 120 days. The correct answer is D. 120 days. Explanation: Red blood cells typically circulate in the bloodstream for about 120 days. After this period, they are removed from circulation by macrophages in the spleen and liver. Question 13. What is the lifespan of platelets? Option A. 7 to 8 weeks. Option B. 1 year. Option C. 9 to 12 days. Option D. 5 to 7 days. The correct answer is C. 9 to 12 days. Explanation: Platelets have a relatively short lifespan, circulating in the blood for approximately 9 to 12 days. They play a crucial role in hemostasis and blood clotting before being destroyed by the spleen. Question 14. Which of the following is a characteristic of arteries in the cardiovascular system? 1. Valves are absent. 2. Reddish in color. Option A. Only 1. Option B. Only 2. Option C. Neither 1 nor 2. Option D. Both 1 and 2. The correct answer is D, both 1 and 2. Explanation: arteries generally lack valves because the high pressure from the heart maintains unidirectional blood flow. They typically appear reddish in color due to the high concentration of oxygenated hemoglobin in the blood they transport. Question 15. Which organ secretes bile? Option A, intestine. Option B, kidney. Option C, liver. Option D, stomach. The correct answer is C, liver. Explanation: the liver produces and secretes bile, a fluid essential for the digestion and absorption of fats. This bile is then stored and concentrated in the gallbladder before being released into the small intestine.